pot sticker today. So here's the small one, and here's the big one. Which one will you use, Mom? Some pot sticker meat in here, or wonton meat. What's in here, Mom?
Beef and shrimp.
Beef, shrimp, and
Egg.
celery, egg,
Cabbage.
Okay, we have some shells right here. Wonton skin. Just lay it down like that. Of course, one piece. Alright. We have the skin separated. First you lay it down.
Some people make the skin by itself.
And then we'll pick a nice big scoop of the pot sticker meat. Lay it down in the middle. Make it look pretty. And my mom adding some water. You can also use egg too. And then fold it in. Alright, let's see how it turns out. Wow. Okay, take it apart. Okay, and that's one. Wow, beautiful. Take it out. Beautiful. Another beautiful pot sticker. Wow. Beautiful.